As we have seen how to draw sketches in SolidWorks, in this module we will learn how to model the parts or solids. In this first class we will know some features of the part environment, which is the environment where we model the pieces. Come on, let's go. As we have seen earlier, before starting a modeling in SolidWorks, it is important to define the design intent, from which we draw the sketches and apply the material addition or removal features. SolidWorks has several tools for creating templates, from which we can cite some groups. Features: this group of tools is used for generic applications, from the most basic to advanced. Containing tools for adding and removing material, repetition of entities, and creation of details, among others. It is on these tools that our study will be concentrated in this course. Surfaces: this group of tools is used in surface modeling, commonly applied in the development of plastic parts and parts with complex geometries, such as toys, household appliances, electronics, among others. Sheet metal: this is the group of mechanical forming tools used to create parts for this manufacturing process, which have specific characteristics such as folds and flaps. Mold tools: this group of tools is used to create the molds, which are widely used in the industry and are models of high complexity and high costs involved. Weldments: this group of tools is used in the creation of structures, for example trusses, which are common in support designs, and for welding applications, which have a wide area of application in the industry. As we will study the tools of the features bar, in the sequence we will show 3 pieces created only with these tools, but in 3 different ways and reaching the same result. In this first example, we use a feature sketch and a feature revolved base. Please note that very quickly and efficiently we create the piece with all its details. In this second example, we obtain the same geometry, but note that the modeling strategy or design intention was different. We use several features to achieve the same result. And in this last example, we have the same final geometry, but with another modeling strategy. We use extruded base and extruded cut, as well as tools to create the final details of the piece. We conclude this class, where we know a little about the part environment and its tools. We also saw that the modeling strategy is directly related to the design intent, and that this should be defined before starting modeling, because that is from there that we will draw the sketches and apply the necessary tools.